and welcome to our YouTube channel. My other half is here with me.
I'm back to you guys. I know that you missed me so much.
And I really want us today to break down for you some arm styling. So we are able to add some flair, not just with our feet, but with our arms. Yes, hip hop arm style. Let's get into it. So, for rhythm style today, our actual arm styling is gonna always follow the same process. So we're gonna start just with our feet on our shoulder width and really staying nice and tall as we discussed before about, and we really want to create all the arms coming from the center. Imagine like your center is literally the center downtown of an actual like city. So everything, all traffic goes in and out from there. So everything goes out from the center and in from the center. So the arms are connected with our center. So the first point is gonna be starting from the body. After I start from the body, I activate my shoulder. We will start with the right arm, and the shoulder is really pressing down on the shoulder blade. So body, shoulder. Then we go to the elbow. Then we are developing our wrist, and then we finish with the fingers. Now, as ladies, we will have spiced up fingers that we will really create a very strong shape with them, and we will keep it very long and elongated.
Germany is going to mainly have like the fingers just simply straight. We are not going to go like super fancy as far as the finger goes.
Exactly. Now, to bring it into the body, we are actually gonna rotate the arm and bring the elbow close to the center and restart again. So body, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, elbow, wrist, fingers. So we follow that process for the whole arm. So we don't want to have a dead arm that it just goes somewhere. It starts with this process and bullet points always. Body, shoulder down, elbow, wrist, fingers, development. So keep doing that, exercise it with us, and now we will actually try also with the other arm. So from here we are going to bring our right arm down and we will try with the left, you guys. So we start again, body, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, rotate it in. Body, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, rotate it in. So we create really beautiful arms and connect it with the body and the center, and they look very natural but beautiful. Keep on doing this exercise with us. Be patient and discover your body. Ta, ta. Very nice. Now we are gonna do the same exercise with two arms. So we are gonna turn our back to you so you can see it from the back, and we will repeat exactly the same exercise with two arms. So we will go out, stretch, rotate, bring them in. 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 So doing so, we want to coordinate our two arms because eventually we want to do the one arm doing the one process going out and the other arm going in.
This is going to take some coordination.
Yes. So by watching us, try to do this with us, but think about the starting position always. So starting position, we will be right here. You can see my styling as ladies and Rita's as a gentleman.
Right arm is going to be on the side and the left is towards the belly button. Oh, and don't forget, by speaking about the belly button, and please press the bell for more videos.
Hit that belly button.
Like, subscribe, belly button, bell button, all the jazz for more videos.
Exactly. So if we start here, I call it holding a baby. We are gonna reverse and we will feel like our elbows and our fingers are connected like with an invisible string, so they are really beautifully working together and coordinated, yes? So we go again, body, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, and we work our arms really nice and coordinated with our body. That's a little bit more advanced, but that doesn't mean you should stop trying. Have fun with us. Now from here, I'm gonna give you some lady arms variations. Whenever you dance, you are able to use your arms this way, as long as you always follow the secret process that we just gave you. So as lady, if I'm dancing with my gentleman and I have one arm free, usually it's the left one, I can go elbow wrist finger. I can go around and still do my elbow wrist finger and then finish through the body that we talked about. I can go back and finish again through the body, elbow wrist fingers. I can go to the side and do that. I can go towards him and do that. As long as I always bring my arm into my body, as we discussed about. So don't be afraid to play around with this arm. Don't just hold it to the side and dance your routines like that. You really want to try to create beautiful shapes that feel natural to you, because every dancer is an individual, unique human being. So I want you to follow that secret process, but be yourself and add your flair and really jazz it up. Yes? Now for the gentleman, he will give some options as well.
So what the arm is responsible for balancing, coordination, and last and not least, the styling. Especially for beginner German, like a little bit of advice, like don't feel awkward like using your arms. Even if you are using your arms simply to the side, like usually our right arm is free, I'm going to keep it on the side, or I'm able to put it simply on the side of my rib cage, or I'm able to put behind the back. So all of these three styling, like in the beginning, whenever you don't know what to do with your arms, just feel free to use it on your body, to the side, or behind the back. And whenever you are going to get more comfortable, like doing the actual arm styling exercise, you are going to be able to use similar way than the lady does without doing all the crazy sexy movement. Is going to be mainly like going the arm towards the sideways. So as you practicing the exercise, if you are doing like a simple like basic step and you are opening up your arm to the side, for example, speaking of the rumba, you are going to have that just simply moving in and out, in and out. We are not going to go around the head and doing all that like fancy jazzy like
us, right?
So feel free to express yourself with your arms and just use them to feel coordinated,
exactly,
balanced,
they're a part of our body, so
and
let's
getting more
use them.
and more fancy.
Thank you guys so much. We hope you found this helpful. Join our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, so we can continue doing that for all of
Practice
you.
makes perfection, so like this is not an easy task. Please practice as much as you can.
See our video as many times as you would like, so you make this a muscle memory, slowly but surely.
Have fun with it. Bye bye.